chairman of ruling party. Kuzona, we can sit here. Ugara Masa, PDP, carry one.
And let's stand still for the national anthem. Former commissioner.
If you give me the opportunity, I will replicate what I've done in Rivers State. In fact, let me tell you, the only problem ministers would have working with me, you know, I don't like story. Do you understand that? That road they are doing Gombe, Mr. Minister, how is it going? Oh, Your Excellency, we have gone 40 kilometers. Is that true? Fine. Before early morning, CSO, arrange. Call Minister now. We are going to Gombe immediately. Enter, let's go to Yombe, let's fly. How many minutes from there? Because I have energy now. I cannot sit just in my office. You come and tell me story. Your Excellency, like you go and bring a pyramid of rice. I don't want that one. I don't want that one. I don't want people to go into buy rice, come and do pyramid. I want to see the rice in the market. I want to see the agriculture is what moving. You must enter the plane and we'll fly there from Abuja to Gombe. Is it no? Is it 2 months flight? I will fly down here. All right, Minister, show me the 40 kilometers you have done. You must show me. If we start to summer as a minister, sorry. I'm not going to tolerate it. That is why if you don't want to vote for me, leave it. I will not compromise it. I cannot compromise it. But that's why the nation is dying. Look at what, if you watch politics today, yesterday night, you saw the professor, what he was talking about, the air Rufai and the Minister of Transportation. For Christ's sake, you are a member of this government, you want to import mercenary to go? Look, that is, you're overthrowing the government. You're overthrowing what? Government. You're overthrowing the government. You want to be mercenary. And you have the president staying there. The security chiefs are there. Somebody telling you he must bring in a mercenary. He has said the government has collapsed. I'm not one who says so. If said the government has collapsed. Not to me, not to you. APC has admitted that the government has collapsed. If the APC has admitted the government has collapsed, what are you waiting for then? It's not to take over. Yes. I'm taking it. I'm taking it to give it back to PDP on behalf of Nigerians. Because this government is no longer a government of Nigerians. The Minister of Transportation said, well, they didn't give me money. That's why they have to bomb the place. What? What? And the president, my own minister will say that. Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that? Before you know you're gone. I'm the commander in chief. I'm not a rubber stamp. No, I'm in charge. It's not, I'm in charge. It's not my PA that is in charge. It's not my uncles that are in charge. I am in charge of my government. Who the hell that the minister will go and say that what happened because the government did not give me money? What the hell? Can you allow that to happen? Who will say that with me? Who's that? Do you know what Commander-in-Chief is? President, Commander-in-Chief, and President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nobody can. No. That's why people don't like people like us. But they have no choice now. I want to work for Nigeria. I'm not coming to work for few people. Do you understand me? Yes. I want to work for Nigeria. Not for Cabal. Which Cabal? Who's the Cabal? Cabal for who? The Cabal is for the Nigerian Cabal. It's not that they are Cabal. The Cabal we have is Nigerian Cabal. Cabal where everybody is a member. It's not people who rush to London, they will sign 3 letters and 3. What kind of system? So, Lydia, I want to thank you. If I don't want to run for president, I will not run for president. If I don't want to run, I will not come. I don't need to negotiate with anybody. Even if I don't run, I will deliver my state and give to PDP. So, I don't need to, so everybody knows, if you check those who are running, if you check, that the likelihood that this my state first, that will come first. If you check, I'm not just saying if you check. So, how can I take oath of office to protect life and property? If there's no protection of life and property, there's no governance. What is road? When people cannot live, people cannot use the road. What is school? I think you have to be alive before you use the school. You have to be alive before you go to the hospital, you know. So protection of life and property is key, is fundamental for any government to say they have succeeded. If you cannot do that, then forget it. The unity of this country is paramount. The unity of this country is what? Paramount. Nobody can joke with it. Nobody. Our founding fathers have tried. They did not make mistake. God also did not make mistake to say that the country called Nigeria. Does God make mistake? No. He knows why. And so let us work together now. And take this party. Nigerians are waiting. But don't keep Nigerians too much waiting. Because they'll be tired waiting for you. Follow me now. Follow me. Let's go to the Eagles from 28. As they give you the ballot bag, don't look anywhere. Wicked. I don't know what your someone said. If someone touches you, he said, are you wicked? Don't touch me if you're not wicked. You say, wicked. What did I say? Wicked. What did I say? Wicked. Do you hear me? Wicked. Say it again. Wicked. So, if every conspiracy people are ganging up, it will not work. I'm equal to the task. Don't sleep with your 2 eyes closed. I'm equal to the task. Every gang up I will watch them. Every gang up, watch, just mark it today. They said there is no God. Watch it today, what I've told you. Because I know that God is a living God. I know He will not disappoint us again. I know He will not allow Nigerians to suffer like this again. And therefore, He will give us somebody who means well for us, who will not go and negotiate. I have no business with APC. I don't talk to any of them. I don't go to the villa. They know me that. My only talking is PDP here. My relationship is PDP. My love is PDP. My food is PDP. My sleep is PDP. Everything is there. PDP. Thank you, and God bless you.
To thank you for coming to Gombe State. But before I thank you, I want to sincerely appreciate you for remembering that you were in Gombe in 2012 or 2013 when you are the Minister of State. You came here to commission 2 projects. Projects of Wike, the Korean investment that was done under your ministry. One in Duku and one in Gombe. On that day, I told you that we have some areas where we needed federal government intervention in terms of boarding school. You promised me 3. One in Nafada, one in Boltongo, one in Degri. Your Excellency, I want to assure you today, they are all completed boarding secondary. These were done courtesy of you. But the unfortunate thing today, Your Excellency, is that these schools today are not schools. Because we have somebody who has a roofing company in town, master roofer. He has removed the roof, carried all the computers, go to Boltongo. As I'm talking to you, it's happening now. And the school has been closed down. This is one of the so many closed schools that have been closed in Gombe State. If there is opportunity to roof, you will remove the roof and roof. If there is opportunity to paint, you will cancel the paint and repaint. This is the kind of projects we see in Gombe. But this is for some other day, Your Excellency. My responsibility to welcome you on behalf and to thank you on behalf of our party in Gombe State. Gombe State is a PDP state, anyhow you look at it. We had our internal wranglings that put Gombe in a mess, that caused Gombe to be in a mess today. But we have realized our mistakes and we are putting our house in order. Inshallah, 2023 Gombe is Dagasama. So this is what we will do, Your Excellency. We assure you, your people have heard you, they have listened to you. Some who have been looking at you on the television or seeing you on the television talking, they have seen you today. They have seen the energy in you. They have seen the action in you. They have seen the commander-in-chief in you. But for now, in Rivers, they call him Mr. Project. When he came to my house, the steward say he's bringing this to that Mr. Project is waiting for me. I say, who is Mr. Project? So even the steward knows you are Mr. Project. So it's not a hidden thing. Everybody knows you have performed. They are living witness. If as a minister of state, you can do 3 projects today. Ali Lugaladima, you have from degree. Is the school not there? Speaker, former Speaker, you are from Boltongo. Is this?
The school is there, but the room kind of...
No, we don't want to. From Nafada, is the school not there? That is the police school. They converted to police school. So we thank you for all the effort. And when we leave, we will sit down and digest everything you told us. And at the appropriate time, we will take decision. Power comes from God. God gives power to whom He wants. He takes away power from whom He wants. We will contribute to PDP to take over power. But at the appropriate time, whoever that emerges the candidate will sit down with Gombe people and discuss. We will negotiate.
Yes.
We will not be take it for granted this time around. We will work for you. We will work for whoever emerges as the candidate of the party under our mutually agreed terms.
Yes.
Is that so? Yes. Is that not what you tell me to say? Yes. Have I spoken your mind? Yes. Your Excellency, that is our submission. Today, as you go, we pray for jolly mercies. We have enjoyed your hospitalities in Rivers. You have not given us opportunity to extend our hospitalities to you. But one day, we will retaliate what you have done. The chairman informed me that he has extended hand of friendship to our people. So when he leaves, we will sit down and agree on what to do. So we thank you and we appreciate.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.